Investigation of a new T-alloy for a new generation of additively manufactured implants with Lattice. By Anne-Françoise Aubuton, Jacques Fain, Dietmar Meinl, Athanasius Samos, Fabien Leonard, Benoit Lequel, Majid Jamai and Giovanni Bruno. A new titanium alloy improving the operation of implants additively manufactured and including laterally closed lattice structures is proposed. The new alloy possesses an increased affinity to the bone. The measured bone interface implant (BII) of less than 10 mm and bone implant contact (BIC) of 95% demonstrated an excellent osseointegration. Furthermore, since additive manufacturing naturally leads to a high roughness surface finish, the wettability of the implant is increased. The combination of these factors is pushing ossification beyond its natural limits. In addition, the quality and speed of the ossification and osseointegration in/around laterally closed lattice implants open the possibility of bone-spline key of prostheses. This enables the stabilization of the implant into the bone while keeping the possibility of punctual hooks, allowing the implant to be removed more easily if required. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for watch more scientific research video.